Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's get it. Let some people get up in here. Let some folks get up in here. Let's go. We live everywhere today. We live everywhere, man. We live on TikTok right here. We're live on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram up here. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, let's get it going, man. Let's get it going. There's a couple people on here. More people are going to be joining. But yeah, I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services. If you've never been to my live before, I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Come on here and just answer people's credit questions, right? Just helping people out. If you need to schedule a free consultation, you can. You can always just shoot me a DM. If you're on TikTok, just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Everywhere else, you can see the little ticker, right? It says text TikTok to that number there. So you guys can just do that real quick. All the other people. But for my people on TikTok, y'all gotta just shoot me a DM. Okay. Just DM me the word King. Yes, sir. Hunter, what's going on, man? Well, I'm glad I joined your program. Definitely thanks for the help so far. Yes, sir. I'm glad you joined. I'm glad you joined, Hunter. Can't wait to get those results for you, man. Let's go. All right. TikTok, where we at, man? Where we at? Where we at? We got cut short earlier. We got cut short earlier. I had to put out some fires. But we back though. We back though. And this stuff behind me, these are just client results. All right. Sometimes clients screenshot stuff, they send it in. We don't we don't personally use Credit Karma. But sometimes clients still have it. It's a free app, right? It's old habits are hard to, are hard to kill. So some people still have that Credit Karma account. They screenshot stuff, they send it in. It's all good. I'm not gonna rain on their parade, right? But we use my Score IQ, um, Smart Credit Identity IQ. Yeah, so that's what we usually go with. Let's go. Spreading the word, all my friends. Let's go, Neil. Hey, Neil. Our referral bonuses is crazy. We got people making real money over here, man. It's $50 per referral, so that's for anybody. If you send someone over and they sign up, I cash up you $50. Okay, we got people making 4, 5, 600 per week. Okay, getting it in. Easiest money you can make. Easiest money you can make. Let's go. I don't do a lot of texting. Is there any way we could talk? Yeah, Robin, we talk. The consultation is on the phone. So yeah, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Bree just had my student loans forgiven, all of them. Will that affect my score? Yeah. So those open student loans are going to be closed now, right? So when they close, you lose the age associated with that account, which is okay. Um, but yeah, you can go back and dispute those student loans if you want to. You don't have to, but it's an option. Yay, B say, my hero, what's up? Should you refinance a car or on your personal or business credit? If you can finance it on your business side, go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go. Yes, sir. All right, man, let's go. Let me check Instagram real quick. All right, y'all. Yeah, people, welcome to the live, man. Welcome to the live. You guys can ask any credit question you have, personal credit, business credit. I am going back and forth, right, from this camera up here back to TikTok to over here. So we got Facebook going, we got Instagram going, we got TikTok going, we got YouTube going. So there's questions coming in from everywhere. All right. Jackie Boone on Instagram. How do you dispute an eviction? All right. So eviction, there's a lot of steps for an eviction. So for the actual account, you can treat it kind of like a charge off, right? We're gonna find an inaccuracy and dispute that. If you need the step-by-step guide here, let me see if I can. Hold on. Here, Jackie, let me see if I can respond to your respond to your question. Hold on. Text HTG 2844. Oh yeah. So Jackie, I just put it in the comments right there. Go ahead and text HTG to that number. My team will send you the free guides. You treat that eviction kind of like a charge off. We want to find an inaccuracy and dispute it. But there's extra steps too for an eviction. All right, there's going to be extra steps for an eviction. Because like your credit code report is probably on there. Your LexisNexis report is probably on there. So there's extra steps that you have to do. But those guides is a good place to start. How do I remove late payments? Bag chasing, same thing. Text HTG to that number right there, that 844 number. You're gonna get the step-by-step guide for those late payments. All right, let's go. Let me come back over here to TikTok, man. How do I remove late payments? I just went over that. So go ahead and hit the link in my bio. Go to my link tree. Download those how-to guides. They're free. It's a step-by-step for the late payments on there. He said, behave. Why did all my credit score go from 632 all the way up to 635 today? That's probably due to your utilization, most likely, right? If you had like an 80% utilization, you paid your balances down. When it reports, your score increases. All right. Jose, what's good? Big Steve. Hey. Let's go. Fastest way to jump from 700 to 800, certain amount I need to spend. So that's, I mean, bro, like user 90, 30, 40, 88. So when you're in the 700s, it's all about your utilization and your age, right? So how many open accounts do you have? What's your average credit age? What's your utilization at? That's the kind of stuff I need to know to give you a specific answer. Dunazy Capital One just sent me a pre-approval for auto, but I just signed up with you. Thoughts? I mean, you shouldn't be getting no new auto loan right now, right? If you already have a car, you don't need it. Okay. Now, if you need the car, we can talk about that. All right, Bree, what's up? How do I remove late payments? I already answered that. Robbie, after my score dropped for the hard inquiry for a new card, how long before the score goes back up? I mean, Robbie, your score only dropped a couple points, right? That's not even nothing to even stress about. Okay. It's not really nothing to stress about. But your score go up over time. Over the next couple months, it'll go back up. Yes, sir. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Credit services. I'm weak. Let's go. Removing a recent repo. Lisa, hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says how-to guides. I got the step-by-step for repos in there. But you're going to get your credit report. We're going to find inaccuracies. I teach you how to do that all for free. We're updating our personal info. We're disputing inquiries not attached to open accounts. We're opting out of secondary bureaus, and then we're ready to dispute. So for repos, you're going to have to contact the repo company, get a bill of sale that pretty much shows how much the car was sold for. And usually that number doesn't match what's on your credit report, right? So now we get that bill of sale. We can use that to get that repo removed from your credit report. That's just how we do it. There's other ways to do it, but that's just the way we do it. Let's go. What are the first steps to fixing credit due to car loan charge off? Jordan, I kind of just went over that. Yeah, kind of just went over that. So Jordan, if it's a charge off, hit the link in my bio, grab the how-to guides. They're free. I got the step-by-step guides in there. If you need the letters to go with it, at the bottom of each guide, it says King Credit Bundle. You just click that, go buy the letters and get to work. Leak, what should my score be for Apple Card or Travel Card with United? Apple Card, you can be like mid-sixes and get approved for that one, but the travel card, you kind of want to be in the 7s though, right? But if you got negatives and stuff on your report, don't even waste your time yet. Okay, that's later down the road, bro. I need help with mine. GK.Ray. Hit the link in the bio, schedule a call, or shoot me a DM, bro. DM me the word king. All right, let's go. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Brand new here. Is this your score? Benji. Benji over here promoting violence. Let's go. I'm at 605. Will it take long time to come back? Levi, is this your credit? No, these are all client results, bro. He said I'm at a 605. Will it take long to come back? I mean, yeah, it depends on what's on your report. If you're at a 605 because your utilization is high, you just pay your balances down, right? Your score will go back up. If you need some new positive accounts, hit the link in the bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. I got the step-by-step in there for you for free. But if you have negatives on there, right? You got collections, charge-offs, repos, evictions, late payments, child support, any of that type of stuff, you're going to have to dispute that stuff off your report while doing the other stuff too, right? While paying your balances down, while adding, more positive accounts to your report. So just depends, bro. It just depends. First steps to restoring, fixing credit. Jordan, the first step is ordering your credit report. Vincent, my cards are at 100%. I have money to pay them off. Should I do it in one shot? Yes. Vincent, pay it all off, bro. Why wait? My score dropped dramatically when I got a new card. When does it go back up? Yeah, Robbie, from the inquiry and when the account reports to your credit, like when it reports on your credit report, your average credit age drops. So that's why your score dropped. That's okay, though. That's normal, right? You just got to – your score go back over time. Okay, or you can add an authorized user to try to balance it out. New here. That score is trash, bro. I got a 430. And my people do CPNs. Hey, y'all on here trying to start violence. This is a safe space, man. I need help with my credit inquiries. Yeah. Hit the link in the bio, bro. He said hit the link in the bio. Grab them how-to guides. I got the step-by-step for inquiries on there. But for inquiries, all you're doing is getting your report, highlighting inquiries not attached to open accounts. That just means that if you applied for it and you didn't get it, you can go ahead and dispute that account. I give you the script and all the numbers to call too. All right, let me check Instagram real quick. He said hard inquiries. Yeah, I just went over that. Bag chasing. I answered you, bro. I said text HTG to that number right there. Then you'll get my free step-by-step for the late payments. Because there's literally like 12 steps in there, bro. I'm not going over. Like, that's why I typed up the guides for that reason. So y'all can go download it. Is he frozen or is it my Jitterbug phone service? That's your phone service, bro. Big Avelli, does removing addresses boost your score? Not indirectly, right? Just removing an address doesn't boost your score up. But if you remove an address that's attached, to a charge off or a closed account, that makes it easier to delete that charge off or a closed account or collection. You know what I'm saying? So it helps you indirectly. Can you help me? Yeah. Nolo. Oh, wait. No Love Ray. Yeah, just shoot me a DM. Okay, yeah, just shoot me a DM. Yep, I got you. I don't know why I started doing this myself. I should have hired King. Let's go. Thank you. I'm new here. So glad I found your page. Yes, sir. Let's go. Fix my one repo, 2 collections. Yeah, Chima, just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Let's work. All right, so once you shoot me a DM after the live, I'll reach out to you, tell you the next steps and everything. All we're going to do is set up a free consultation. That's where we go over your credit report with you, answer all your questions, let you know how we can help, let you know what plan you qualify for, right? We got the standard or the gold that everyone qualifies for, and you can upgrade to the platinum, but it's not mandatory. It's just another different plan. And then after that, we send you the onboarding and we get started that same day. We move quick. Okay, we ain't got no time to waste, man. Levi, I'm just asking if this is his credit. No, it's not. These are client results, Levi. Robbie, just do you know your help got me to 742? Let's go. Let me screenshot that. Let me screenshot that. These live results, baby. How do I keep raising it from 740? I seem to be stuck. Irvin, so you're at a 740, bro. So welcome to the 700s. All right, but now it's all about your utilization, right? Your average age, your average credit age. Okay, so make sure you're paying them balances down before the statement date, right? Before that statement date, that's going to help your score out. And then, you know, if you can add an authorized user or two, you want to get an account that has age, right? So if you guys are trying to get authorized users and stuff, you shouldn't be even thinking about authorized users until you have at least 5 primary accounts. Primary accounts are just the ones that you apply for yourself. But if you're going to get an authorized user, try to get age, right? The age is more valuable than the available credit because it's easy to get available credit, right? The age is harder to come by. Okay, you find you a 10-year, 15-year, 20-year authorized user account. Woo, that's fire. Let's go. Credit Karma is not accurate, just FYI. Hold on. Marivale Maldonado 9. Yeah, so what you mean to say is Credit Karma is a different score. It's a Vantage score, right? So it's not that it's not accurate or wrong. It's literally a different credit score. So terminology and your vocab matters, bro. So it's just not a score that lenders use, right? But it's a credit score. Okay, so if you're using Credit Karma, just use it for the accounts and activity. Just what that say, Vantage score, right? In 2024, we're gonna read more. Come on now. Jackie, what are the costs for your plans? So the standard and the gold, I have to break it all down for you though, bro. Because if you just say a price without telling the value, it doesn't make sense, right? So you can go ahead and schedule a consultation, bro. What do you think of repair companies that you pay after the deletion? We tried that model before. And so Benji asked on Instagram, what do I feel about credit repair companies that you pay after the deletion? So that's all good and dandy for the client, right? But it's not good for the company because we did that before. So we got like 80 accounts removed from a credit report, and then that person changed their phone number and never paid. It happened a couple times. So that's when we changed our model up, right? It's not, because think about it. If we're doing pay per delete, pay per item, I want $50 an inquiry. I want $100 a charge off. I want $250 a collection. I want $1,000 a bankruptcy, $1,000 a repo, right? So if you got, and I want $100 a late payment. So you got 5 late payments. That's $500 right there, right? 5 late payments. You got a bankruptcy and a repo. We at damn near $3,000. Okay, so how likely is a person after you did all the work? How likely is a person to pay? I'm gonna tell you, they not gonna pay. You're gonna have to send that. You're gonna have to sue them and do all this nonsense. It's not even worth it. The monthly plan is better, you guys. It's better on both ends. Okay, it's better on both ends. All right, let me jump back over here. Hold on. Liberty on Instagram. How old do you have to be? I mean, 18, bro. 18. Bro, why you block me on TikTok? I didn't block you. Oh shit! I think Big Steve blocked you, and he didn't know that you was playing, bro. Hey, I'll unblock you though. I'll unblock you, bro. He didn't know you was playing. hey, my moderator's not playing, bro. It's a block. That's my fault though. I got you. Dang, do you all do under the table? No. We don't do Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, none of that stuff. All right, let's go. Let me get back over here to TikTok. How long does it take before inquiries are removed from your credit? So if you don't do anything, it takes about 2 years for them to fall off. My utilization 100. Mama always told me to go 100. I'm weak. Vincent, best way to boost credit for buying a house? Trade lines. No. So look at the best. You have to structure your credit report properly. So just by adding 10 trade lines, adding 10 authorized users is not going to do shit. Okay, it's not going to do nothing for you. You need your own accounts. You need primary accounts. Okay, you need primary accounts. You need some age, utilization low, and then you can add an authorized user for like, for a little razzle dazzle. You know what I mean? How do I keep raising it from 740? I seem stuck. Already answered that. What do you mean, bro? You haven't said anything. Irvin, what are you talking about, bro? Disputing my girlfriend's charge offs. I should have stayed single. Exquisite beauty. Go ahead and shoot me a DM. She said, need help. Yeah, DM me the word king. Okay. After this live, I'll reach out to everybody so we can schedule that free consultation. Diego, how to boost credit? I have a 760 20K 3 credit cards. So Diego, you probably need to add like an installment loan, right? So it's an account called Kovo. No hard inquiry. You're guaranteed to get approved. And you can add like rent reporters on there too. Rent reporters is good because it's like an age primary account. It gives you like some more age onto your credit profile. So Diego, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Grab that Kovo and that rent reporters, and then holla at me in like 30 days and see how much that helped your score. I settled on a charge off, and now it says I still owe on my credit report. They probably didn't update it yet. So yeah, if you settled, that's one option. Okay. But you can still go back and dispute that charge off because we're disputing accuracy. We're not disputing ownership. All right. Why do your credit goes down every time you use your credit card and wait to pay the bill? Because when you use your credit card, if you wait until after the statement date, okay. So like, all right, you got $1,000 credit card. Your statement date's the 15th, right? So you use $1,000 and then the 15th comes. It's going to report that whole $1,000 to the bureaus. So it looks like you're using, it looks like you're pretty much irresponsible, right? Your utilization is hella high. So it's going to drop your score. So just make sure you pay them balances down before that statement date and you'll be all right. All right. Sherry Berry. Hi there. How long have you been doing this? What fees are involved? Been doing this since 2019. And the fees, it just depends on your credit report. We got 3 different plans depending on your report. We go over all that during the free consultation. That's one of the reasons why the consultations are free because, not everyone even qualifies, right? Some people don't qualify because we can't help you with your utilization, right? We're not paying your bills for you. You know what I'm saying? So some people they just need some quick little tips and pointers. You know what I mean? But people that got charge-offs, late payments, collections, repos, evictions, late child support, all that stuff, then yeah, we can help you out then. All right, let me see what they're talking about on Instagram. All right, bet. Yeah, unblock me. Had to go find him on Instagram. Hey, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to do it after the live, bro. I don't even know how to do it while it's going on. Credit Karma is not accurate. I already answered that. I just started your program and got you guys have already started disputing. I was impressed. Let's go. Tasha, we start. So if your consultation is in the morning, right? It takes us about an hour or 2 to get your first round out. You know what I'm saying? Your personal info. So if you start in the morning, we can have your your personal info letters out that same day. You know what I'm saying? We start quick. Ain't no time to waste. Let me see. For repo, you want to pay that off ASAP for better credit? No, because paying the repo is not going to do anything for your credit. It's just going to say a paid account. So you want to get that account removed, right? We want to dispute it. Okay, exactly. Not the FICO. FICO scores are used by most lenders. Facts. My boy, respectfully, you should not be using Credit Karma as an example of good credit tracking. Bartha God, that's not what I'm doing, bro. These are all client results. Okay, Bartha, you would know that when you jump in someone's live, pay attention first. Don't just jump in being negative. You know what I'm saying? You would know that. These are just client results. As I said 3 times already, okay, I'm not going to rain on somebody's parade. You know what I'm saying? You see how he went, how it's plus 18? So he hit the 700 club. He was excited. He's never hit the 700 club in his life. He's like 40-something years old. You know what I'm saying? So he's excited. I'm not going to tell him, hey, stop using Credit Karma. You know, that's not how you do business. Okay, come on now. Pay per delete adds up a lot. It does. Is FICO the most accurate? FICO is the score that lenders use. My score 823. Let's go. That's great because of my Capital One card shows 726. Dope. Can I do it myself? Davina, yeah. Davina, hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says King Credit Bundle. It's like $30. I give you 9 or 10 different step-by-step guides for every single account. 40 plus dispute letters. There's videos in there. Everything you need to go do it yourself. Okay, let's go. How you giving advice with a 693? Beto, I can't even pronounce that username, but I've already explained that, bro. What are your thoughts on buying a trade line? Hold on. My utilization was 66. Once I paid that full, I got 99 points at once. Yeah, facts. Utilization can do that. Utilization does that. Let me see. What are your thoughts on buying a trade line? So, Bruce, just make sure that wherever you're getting a trade line from, make sure it's a reputable source, you know. But I would like for you to reach out to a friend or family member, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have to pay no money, you know. But if you don't have anybody, a lot of us don't, you know, to get a good trade line from, a good authorized user from. So you might have to buy them. But, you know, it is what it is. But don't even think about buying an authorized user until you have at least 5 primary accounts. Okay. Let's go. Can you help with my inquiries? No Love Ray. Yes, I've answered that already, bro. I got you. I said right after this live, I'm gonna reach out to you. So I can't do everything at once. You know what I'm saying? When I'm live, I like to give people the attention they're looking for. You know what I mean? You got to validate their feelings. Can I do the work? Yeah. I'm bumping. Check my DM. You read the wrong one. Why should I opt out of secondary bureaus? Never heard of them. Yeah, because so here's the thing about secondary bureaus, right? Like LexisNexis, they're the fourth largest credit reporting agency. So what these secondary bureaus do, they go around, they scrape the internet for your information. So those are the real ones that hoard all your information, and then they report it to the big three. You know what I'm saying? So we want to opt out of those. Okay, so they can't be sharing information and all that, right? So I've seen a huge difference. When we first started, you know, our process has changed a lot over the years, right? We've gotten better and better and better. You know, we try to get better every single day. But yeah, we used to not do it, and then you see a difference when you opt out. You know, LexisNexis, SageStream, ARS, Clarity Services, CoreLogic, Credco, but ChexSystems and ChexSystems and Early Warnings. When you opt out of them, it's not like an opt out like LexisNexis. It's a little different. So what ChexSystems and LexisNexis, you actually have to get those reports and like dispute the negative information on those reports. Okay, so but yeah, I can go a little bit more into that if you want. Is it free or how much you charge? No Love Ray, bruh. So you want me to, he said, is it free? So if you want to do it yourself, it's free, right? If you want to do it yourself, it's free. You can grab those how-to guides in my link tree. You can go rock that. I got the step-by-step guide for inquiries in there. If you have a business structured wrong, can you go back and structure it right way and keep your age time? What do you mean? Hold on. What do you mean? So what do you mean structured incorrectly? So when they talk about structure, they're more talking about like the information on your documentation and everything. That's what they're more to talk about. So if you're talking about like business trade lines and, you know, net 30s and all that, it's kind of hard to mess those up. You know what I mean? Only how to really mess those up is to not pay your balances. You know what I mean? So that's what they mean by structured correctly on the business side. How do you find out about your statement day? BK, when you pull your credit report, when it says February 11th through March 11th, right? The 11th is your statement day. Or you can log into your app and check, or you can call them up and ask them too. Please tell me about debit. debt consolidation and bankruptcy. What is my options? I have 80K debt. So if it was an option between bankruptcy and debt consolidation, I would probably go to bankruptcy route, honestly, because debt consolidation, the way they do it now, okay, they make you default on your open account, so you're going to rack up late payments, get a charge off. Those charge offs get sold or transferred to collection agencies, right? That's a long, and then they go in and negotiate on your behalf, and you still owe money, and you still have to go back and dispute these accounts. At least with a bankruptcy, you're not racking up. They're they're more like just closed accounts. You know what I'm saying? So either way, your score is going to take a big hit, but yeah, I would do a bankruptcy over debt consolidation. That's just me though. Should I pay the current balance or just statement balance by the date? So Kenzie, so me, I'll just pay my last statement balance, and I have it on auto pay. So here's how I'll set mine up. I called them up and I said, hey, when's my statement date? They say the 18th. I said, cool. Change my payment day. Yes, you can change your payment day, y'all. Change your payment day to the 15th, right? So that's, you give yourself 3 days before your statement date, just in case something happens. And then I put it on auto pay for the last statement balance, right? And I haven't had to look at my cards in 2-3 years. Well, not 3 years, about like 2 years. I don't even look at those anymore. What's the price I'll be willing to pay? No Love Ray. I told you to, bro, to shoot me a DM. Okay. Like meaning having to personal address. Wait. Like meaning having to personal address it. So you talking about like a personal guarantee? Mono fam first. That's what you're talking about? A personal guarantee? Kimmy's Creations and more. So should I pay by the statement date or due date? I just explained that. Can you have a good credit score while paying back collections? Yeah. I've actually seen some people with a couple collections on the report when they were still in the 700s. But Mizzy, is that your name? Yeah, Mizzy. If you're paying collections, make sure you have a pay for delete set up. I'm not against paying collections. Just make sure you have a pay for delete set up. All right, pay for delete. It's just that just says, hey, you're telling the collection agency that after you pay this amount or pay this debt off, that they're going to remove it from your credit report. All right. No, having my personal address as my business. Oh, yeah. You can go change that. Yeah, I did that a couple times. I've done that a couple times. So if when you're filling out your paperwork, or if you're using InkFile or Busy or LegalZoom, or if you're doing it by hand, if you put your personal address for your business address, once you get your business address, you can go back and change it. It's just a form. You can go change it. It's super easy. You got to change it with the IRS and the state. All right, IRS and the state. But that's why you want to get your business address first, right? You should get your business address first because you're going to need your business address for all the paperwork and everything. All right, let's go. Let's go. They did update. I owe 4,800 and they accept 38. So I say I owe 1,000 on my credit report. Okay. Why don't y'all think Credit Karma is accurate? I have the same score on all my credit reports. Yeah, Key. So it's different for different people. So for me, my Vantage and my FICO 8 is like 5 points apart. So it just depends. That's why I'd say everything is depends, right? There's no cookie cutter answers for anybody when it comes to credit. Okay. There's some basic rules and guidelines you can follow, but like two people with the same accounts, the same charge-offs, the charge-off might knock their score down 48 points and knock this person down 52 points. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how it works. He said blocked. I'm weak. Herb Buena, 735 good. Yeah. Noah, please tell me about debt consolidation and bankruptcy. I know I already did, bro. Did you leave? I gave you a good 2-3 minutes, bro. I broke it down for you. My utilization is 66 once I paid. You said the site was Kobo? No, Kovo. Hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. You don't got to think. I already did it for you, bro. Hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. It's all in there for you. Let's go. I'm at 740. Any tips on how I can increase that? The person with the 740, how many open accounts do you have? What's your credit age? What's your average credit age? What's your utilization at? That's what I need to know. Hey, thanks for the lightning bolts. Let's go. He said they wrote me up. I'm weak. Big Steve got in trouble. I lagged out, but can I have good credit while paying collections? Yeah, Mizzy, you can. So if you're paying collections, just make sure you have a pay for delete agreement set up. That just means after you get done paying it, they're going to remove it from your credit report. GS, can you help if I have a car repo and late payments? Yeah. GS, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. If anybody needs a free consultation, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. All right, DM me the word king. Let's go. Give a young man some advice. How do I take my family out this matrix? Woo, Dwayne. Now we getting philosophical. Okay. So, number one, to win the game, bro, you have to master the rules. Okay? So, that involves mastering your credit, mastering consumer law, mastering the straw man, mastering trust, all this good stuff, right? You kind of need to know a little bit of something about everything, right? When it comes to it. And then once you do that, you know, it got you a couple income producing businesses, right? And the bottom line of all that, like the matrix and whatever you want to call it, you still need to earn some damn money, right? It costs to live, y'all. Like, I don't care what you think you got to earn some dollars. Okay. Get your bread up, right? Earning some money changes everything. Okay. John Rodriguez, he said, what's this? This is just Wednesday credit talk, bro. People come on my live, ask me any credit question, personal credit, business credit, I answer it for them. If you need credit repair, if your credit is challenged or anything like that, you can just shoot me a DM, DM me the word king, and we can schedule a free consultation. Yes, sir. I'm back. Gara, what's up? Gara. Steffi Ponce. Just want to thank you. We are close to signing for a home thanks to you. Hey, now that's the love I'm talking about. Let me screenshot that. She said, we are close to closing, signing for a home thanks to all your credit videos. Let's go, man. Let's go. The Don, what's up? TransUnion went up 94 points and Equifax went up 2. Hey, that's better than last time. See, last time you said you only went up 2 points. I remember. King just pre-ordered the iPhone 18. My last collection was removed. Woo! Hey, we going crazy on TikTok right now, man. I'm screenshotting all this shit. Let's go. Yes, I do have pay for the lead set up. Good. All right, Mizzy, you good then? See, you knew more than what you letting off, bro. When you are building your credit score, how soon should you pay once you use it to report? Okay, we kind of went over that a little bit earlier. So some people in the beginning, as soon as they as soon as they use the card, they pay it, right? Or they pay it on every Friday, right? For me, I changed my payment day. So your payment day is just when your minimum balance is due. So I changed my payment day 3 days before my statement date. All right. So your statement date is when the balance gets reported to the credit bureaus. So I changed it to 3 days before my statement date, and I put it on auto pay for the last statement balance. So I don't have to worry about missed payments or utilization or none of that stuff because it's on auto pay. All right. Damn, do I need to turn this fan on? It's hot. Let's go. What bundle can I buy to fix my credit? Stars on Instagram. You want to grab that King Credit bundle, right? King Credit bundle. So yeah, my link tree, it says King Credit bundle. It's super cheap right now. So if you want to go run it up, I would. If you want to fix your credit yourself. Increase credit after a missed payment. So McKinsey, it takes about 12 or 13 on-time payments to kind of make up for that 1 30-day late. So that's what you have to do. Got to make them payments on time for the next, at least the next year. And then you can dispute that 30-day late too. So Mackenzie, if you want to do it yourself, just hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Bundle. They got the step-by-step for late payments with all the letters that go with it. And they're pretty much the same letters that we use too. So Tonio, hi, how you doing? I'm new here. What's up, Tonio? Your credit weak, fam. No disrespect. 19 Wrangler. You can't say no disrespect after you disrespect me. So you're gone. How can I start building my credit? I'm 18. I'm ready to start. Tonio, hit the link in the bio. Scroll down. It says starter accounts. It's just a Google Doc. When you go on there, it's going to say brand new to credit. Follow these steps, right? And I got the step-by-steps for you with all the links and everything. 806 good. Yeah, you lit. 806 is lit, bro. Mikey, what's the best beginner credit card? Honestly, beginner credit card? Probably like a Capital One Platinum just to get in the game, right? But before you even apply for a regular credit card, you can have some other accounts already established. That's going to help you. It's going to help your approval rate, right? It's going to help you get approved faster. How do you sign up? If you're on TikTok, just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Everywhere else, you should be able to see the little ticker, right? It says text TikTok to that number, the 844 number. All right. But Mikey, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got all your easy starter accounts all in there for you. I paid 2 collections and my score went from 550 to 660. Yeah, Mizzy, because paying the collection wasn't it. Paying the collection and it getting removed from your credit report, that's what helped you out. Megan, wait, what was that called? Pay for delete when you're making payments? Megan, a pay for delete agreement. A pay for delete. So I'm gonna show you guys one here when I get done with these questions. I'll show you one so you can screenshot. I was granted credit limit increase at 3 months. When is the next time to ask for an increase? So the first increase is like 3 months, and then every 6 months after that. After credit bureau verifies an item, do I need to wait 30 days to send the second round of disputes? No. So if they verify it, right? If they send you your credit report, or if they send you an email saying they verified, or however you dispute it, you can go ahead to round 2. All right, Alberto, what's good? We got the same credit score. TTS Kylie, we don't got the same credit score. These are client results. Okay, this ain't my stuff. Love how you help others and give them options to do it themselves. Facts. I like when people do it themselves because they get to see how difficult it actually is, right? A lot of people, there's a lot of clickbait out here, right? That just says, go on Credit Karma and say this account isn't mine and you'll fix your credit in 30 seconds. That shit don't work. Okay, it never really has, right? But a couple people got lucky and they ran with it. You know what I mean? If I settle with the credit card company, will my score go up? Like if I owe $5K and they agree to settle for 3. So Megan, if you settle, you can, right? You can settle, but you still have to go on that account and dispute it, right? Because it's a charge off, right? If it has late payments on there, you still have to dispute it anyway. So if it's a charge off and you settle, you're still gonna have to dispute it. The only thing left is these charge offs. All right, let's go. I asked collection agency a debt validation and purchase agreement proof, and they deleted my collection. That's what we do. Let's go. About 90% of them, that's what will happen. When you send a validation letter to that collection agency requesting the proper documents, a lot of them don't have it, so they're going to remove it, right, to avoid getting sued. But, Midland, Jefferson Capital, Portfolio, you're right. They're kind of a toss-up. Sometimes they have the documents, sometimes they don't. But these companies do violate your rights in other ways. So there's other options you can take too. Hey, I want to close about 5. Hold on. G Will, your comment, it didn't go all the way through, bro. Simply Creations, I wrote letter to dispute some things and accurate names, but names still there. So Simply Creations, you want to call to update your personal information. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. They're free. Download them. I got the step-by-step guide for personal info on there. I just sent you a DM. Cool. Every time I'm disrespecting someone, I say no disrespect now. Hey, he said no disrespect. I then proceeded to disrespect. Like, come on, bro. Hey, these Gen Zers, bro. These Gen Zs. Just disrespectful. I want to close out about 5 credit cards. Will it affect my credit? My credit score is at 825. Yeah, bro. It's going to kill your score. So all that age that you've built up with those 5 cards, you're going to lose all that age when you close them, bro. So don't do that. Robin says, Central DM. Okay. I'm not going to be using them anymore. Plus the interest rates have spiked. The interest rates don't really matter, bro. Okay. We don't care about the interest rates. All right. People only care about the interest rates if they're going to be leaving balances on their cards. Right? We're not leaving balances on our cards. We're using them as the tools. Okay. We're getting rewards points. Right? We're using them how we're supposed to use them. Then we paying them bad boys off. Ain't no interest to grab. Okay. What they want? 18% of $5. Cool. I'll pay that every day of the week, twice on Sundays. Okay. Would you recommend paying off in full? I'd rather you pay it off in full than leave it at 30% or 40%. I'd rather you pay it off in full. JJ, what are 6 banks I need to open up again with the fresh LLC? My credit is already. JJ, so you want 2 nationals, right? So Chase and Citibank. Boom. 2 national credit unions. So you can do PenFed and Navy Fed. And then you want 2 locals, right? So for me, it's North Island Credit Union and San Diego Credit Union. Okay, so that's your 6 right there. 6 big ones, 6 pause. Hey, yo, no Diddy on that. No Diddy. Hold on. So 6 national banks. 2 national banks, 2 nationwide credit unions, and then 2 local credit unions. Does Credit Karma not participate with Equifax anymore? Mine never updates on Equifax. No, Alberto, bro, your stuff has been messed up from the beginning, man. But it has to be an internal problem with Equifax for you, bro. Okay, what do you suggest? I have too many cards, bro. Just put them on auto pay. I'd rather you have a 0 balance and just use the cards once every 3 months than close them. All right. Question: if I have extra money to pay my car off, should I do it? LA's local plug. So, all right. So paying your car off early is going to save you money on interest. So it's going to help your pockets. But paying it off early, okay, is going to close that account and you're going to lose the age. Okay. So kind of just depends, man. It just depends. So you're going to end up paying the loan off anyways. Right. So anytime you close an open account, a loan or a credit card, your score is going to drop because you're going to lose the age associated with that account. Okay. So, if you want to save some money on interest, you can. Patrick, what's up, Pat? I sent disputes and they got verified, but then I also sent the same disputes through CFPB. Yeah, bro. So you need, okay. Do I wait until CFPB responds for the second round? Okay. So you disputed with the CFPB too quick, right? You want to do 2 or 3 rounds before you submit a complaint with the CFPB, right? You want to upload as much documentation as possible. But since you already did it, just wait for the response. Okay, wait for the response. Let me check Facebook and YouTube real quick. Let's go. Camera a little blurry. There we go. Dana's Creation. Will removing hard increase raise your score? It might give you a couple points, but you're not removing the increase for the score. You're removing the increase because of because of how because of how it looks, right? So let me explain that. Let's say you will go apply for 10 credit cards, right? In the same month. Okay. You racked up 10 inquiries, right? After about 5, they start auto denying you because you look thirsty, right? You look desperate. They're like, why the hell you? This person said no. This person said no. This person said no. This person said no. Why you keep asking? Okay. So when you get denied, they give you a denial letter. It tells you exactly what you need to do, right? So that's why you want to remove those inquiries, right? Because if you have too many, you'll get auto denied, right? I sent you a DM, Robin. I got you. I said after the live, I'll reach out to people who sent me the DMs. I don't do it while I'm on the live. I just wanted to close 5 credit cards. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Well, I'm just here as a guide, bro, just helping you out. Just know when you close those 5 credit cards, your score is going to drop. You're going to drop a lot, okay? Because you're going to have 5 less active accounts, right? And you're going to lose all the age associated with those accounts. So if you got 30 open accounts, then 30 to 25, your score won't drop dramatically, like a lot, but it's going to drop no matter what. If I can't get them off, I'll DM you. Okay. If you have late payments and set under payment arrangement, what can I do for late payment reporting? Wait. If you have late payments and set up under payment arrangements, so Simply Creations, are these payment arrangements with the original creditor? Cordero, new flavor ice cream coming out, carrot cake, wasabi, it's cold and it's hot. A few other. Oh shit. I'm weak. What's your thoughts on Discord? What? Oh, Discover It card. The secured line to start or grow your credit. Discover It, that's not the secured card, bro. So there's a Discover secured card, but that's not it, right? The Discover It's an unsecured card. So if you're even thinking about a security card, you're probably not ready for the Discover It, right? So before you get to the Discover It, you want to have a couple accounts already on your credit report, a couple positive accounts. So John Doe, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. It's just a Google Doc. I got a couple easy accounts on there for you. CFPB got 10 months of my disputes. You got a good score. My personal score is pretty good. It's not a perfect 850, but it's cool. I can go into the bank, get whatever I want. Now, took a long time though, man. Woo! It took a long time, bro. What are your thoughts on consolidation? If you consolidate it yourself, right, you get a 0% credit card and consolidate it that way. Or if you get a personal loan and pay down your balances and now you got one lump sum payment, then yeah, that's cool. But if you're going through thinking about going through a debt consolidation company, don't do it. Alonzo, how much to remove just inquiries? Alonzo, honestly, inquiries fall under the standard plan, bro. So it'll be the same as, the same plan under charge-offs and collections and everything. We do it this way for a reason. Because if we did it per item, I'm gonna want $50 an inquiry. You know what I mean? So yeah, you'll be on the standard plan. But Alonzo, you can dispute this stuff yourself, though. The inquiries, it's not that hard. I give you the step-by-step plan, bro. Hit the link in the bio, grab the how-to guides. I give you the script, the numbers to call, and everything. Can you remove collections? Hannah, yes, we can dispute collections. Okay. DM me the word king. If you guys need a free consultation, just DM me the word king. What's the best way to remove collection that I co-sign for? Okay. This is tricky, right? That's why I said in 2024, we don't co-sign no more. All right. So even if you get it removed from your credit, the person that the other person is going to have to get it off of theirs too. Because I've seen this happen before. We've helped people get evictions removed, repos removed, charge-offs removed. But it's on the other person, not charge-offs. I mean auto loans or repos. You already said that. But yeah, when you co-sign or it's a joint account, that's your account now. Right? So you have to get it removed from yours and theirs. But for collections, Nick, you can hit the link in the bio, get the King Credit Bundle. I got the step-by-step for collections in there. Yeah. because I can explain it to you, but you're going to forget. Tashana, update. After 1 month following your guide, my score went up 35 points in 1 day after a month. Woo! Almost knocked my mic over. Let's go. Let me screenshot that. Let's go. Hey, don't be afraid to leave your boy a 5-star review now. Okay? we averaging like 5 reviews a week, but I'm trying to get that shit to 10. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to leave us a 5-star review now. Okay, don't be shy. I have a 0% APR card. If I only pay minimum payments and my utilization is under 30, does my score drop? Like, so that 30% utilization thing, you guys, that's not good. Okay, that's not good. That's too high. Right? You want to get your utilization in single digits. Okay. But 0%. It's not really going to drop your score, right? It's just going to be stagnant. It's just going to stay kind of where it's at. Simply Lee Creations, yes. Let me go back up to see what you're saying yes to. Okay, so late payment arrangements. Okay, with the original creditor. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait. You gotta wait. You gotta get payment arrangements set up to finish the payments, and then you can go back and dispute that account. Why do we opt out of secondary bureaus? H-Town Realtor. I said that earlier, bro. I answered that earlier. Yes, I still have the car under payment arrangement, but it's not the whole payment. They reporting late. Okay. Joshua Bad, 693 TransUnion Equifax with 721 FICO score. Good. Yeah. Just when you just tell me your score, that doesn't really do anything for me. You know, I need to know how many open accounts you have. What's your average credit age? What's your utilization? Because that's what's going to get you approved or denied, not the score, right? You know, you guys get approved or denied because of your credit profile. Okay, not the numbers. Okay, not the score. It took me a long time to understand that. Urban Boots, late. What you mean? Naquan was good. What about child support late payments? Yeah, you can dispute those too. Right? You can dispute those too. Is there a way to settle my car loan before I miss a payment? They're gonna repo the car, right? So if you reach out to your lender and say, "Hey, I can't make my payments anymore," they're gonna take the car back. And if the car is worth more than how much you owe, then you'll be good to go, right? But if you're under, if you're upside down on the loan, you're gonna have to make payments. I'll DM you the results. Let's go. What's your opinion on Credit Saint? I don't even know what that is, bro. What's that? That's a new credit monitoring. Hey, Mr. King, can I remove hard inquiries that I just got from a bank? J-Rod, 40,000. Yeah. So, I mean, if you got approved for that loan or credit card or whatever it was, then don't dispute those inquiries. But if you got denied, you can go ahead and dispute it. Right. So if you need the step-by-step for the inquiries, just hit the link in my bio. Okay, go to my link tree, scroll down, it says how-to guides. You click that, put your info in, then check your spam in your inbox. I got the step-by-step for inquiries in there. How can I bring my score up from 535 to 715? Darlene, what negative accounts do you have on your report, Darlene? Shad Patel, I have an 820 credit score. What can I do to make money on that? Shad, what you want to do, bro? What you want to do? But the 820 is one thing. Like, how many open accounts do you have? Like, that's what I need to know. A credit repair company. Oh, yeah, I don't know any other. Yeah, bro. I don't really know any other credit repair companies like that. I'll focus on us. What's upside down car payment? So upside down would be you got a new car, a a $30,000 auto loan, but the car is only worth $25,000. You know what I'm saying? So you owe more on the loan than what the car is actually worth. How can I remove hard inquiries? Darlene, hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says how-to guides. Download those. I got the they're free. It's a step-by-step for inquiries on there. As it worth the repo if I can't make such high payments anymore on my car? I mean, so you can try to sell the car too. That's always another option. Right? So, if you owe whatever you owe on it, you owe 10K, 20K, whatever it is, you just list it for like 2,000 more than what you owe on it. Right? You can sell the car. And then, you'll pay that loan directly off and you'll be good to go. So there's some more options for you, but the auto industry is messed up, man. The car industry is real messed up right now. Okay, interest rates are crazy. Insurance is crazy. Right? That's why I'm all for just buying a car cash. Right? Buy you a little something for 5K, 4 or 5K. Shit, a little 2014, little something. Get your ass to A to B. That's it. Okay, $100 insurance. You lit. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Dan, you just skipped my question. Mel Soul Tree. No, there. So if I don't read your question, that means it got filtered out. I don't skip anybody's questions. What is the okay credit to buy a house? I mean, bro, if we're talking about FHA, all you need is a 580. 580, 3.5% down, you can get you a house. If it's less than 580, you got to do 10% down. If you got a 620 or above, you can do FHA or Fannie Mae, right? Fannie Mae, I think, is 5% down, right? But then there's there's down payment assistance, there's grants and shit per county. So you can do the NACA program. The NACA program is no down payment, no closing costs. Yeah, man. So there's a whole bunch of different options out here. I have student loans and I have credit union one, and I have some loans on my credit. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Student loans, credit one. So it sounds like you don't have any revolving credit. That's the problem, right? If you got all installment loans, you don't have any revolving credit. So that's why your score is so low. So you need to go get you some easy revolving credit. Revolving credit is just like a credit card, right? So, Darlene, you can hit the link in my bio, scroll down, and says starter accounts. You can go grab that extra card and you can grab that secured card, right? Extra card and secured card. Those going to count as revolving accounts on your credit report. So that's going to help you out. At least you'll start, that utilization to start fluctuating a little bit. That's going to help that score out. And then for the other stuff, I'll just have to see your credit report, or somebody on my team will have to see your credit report. He said mortgage rates right now are crazy. Facts, bro. I have credit cards on my report that I haven't paid. Should I try to pay them off in collections? So they're collections, bro. So you can do a pay for delete, but I would dispute them first. So Tia, if you want to dispute them yourself, you can. Just hit the link in my bio, get that King credit bundle, get to work. If you want us to do it, got to shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Set up a free consultation, and we go from there. What do you think? It's more of a buyer's market right now in the housing market. I mean, fuck, man, the interest rates are just so high, bro. I don't know. We're just it's just in a weird space right now because usually it's way cheaper to get have a mortgage usually, but rents are ridiculous right now too. So you kind of just stuck, right? So I don't know when the next buyer's market is going to be, but if you can get approved for a house, if you're already paying rent, I would definitely try to get a house, honestly, because rents, they're going up. Okay, they're not going back down; they're going up. I was asking your thoughts around business credit over personal. Oh yeah, I love business credit is way better than personal. So I honestly think the main goal of your personal is to leverage it to get business credit, to get business credit cards, business loans, and stuff like that. So, because that's the only thing that makes sense. Right? That's the only thing that makes sense. And once you have good personal credit, once you start getting the business stuff, it's just everything. Yeah, it's just everything's easier on that side too. No way we ride in the BMW. We ride in the BMW with a 600 credit score, 700 car payment in 2024. Bro, it's insane. It's insane. Man, all the credit reports we see, dude, these payments are. I think they said the average car payment right now is like $750 in the US. So that $750. That's crazy. I'm planning on building my business credit and not sure which credit card company to go with. Any recommendations? Yeah, Mel. So if your personal credit is already good, um, whoever you opened up a business bank account with, go get a business credit card from them. All right, that's what I would do. Leverage your personal credit. You have the personal guarantee, which is okay. That's what I would do. Right. But if you want to do the net 30 route and all that stuff, I got hundreds of those. You know, I can I'll put them on my link tree. I was supposed to do that yesterday, actually. But yeah, I'll put that list of net 30s, tier ones, tier twos, and tier threes, and all that stuff. I'll put that on my link tree. So y'all can have it. Finally made it back to one of your lives. Pink Hearted, what's up? Atlanta area. Okay. I need your help. Dedriana, just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. All those people that's already DM me, I see there's like 16 DMs. After this live, I'll reach out to you guys. Okay. I'm still selling homes in 30 days or less. Damn, that's crazy. Out here in San Diego, bro, homes are homes been on the market for months. They're just too expensive. Okay, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, $700K. That's insane. TransUnion is highest FICO, 622. Have self-lender, extra debit, 1 authorized user account. So you got 1, 2, 3 accounts. Drone Skywalker. So you need some aid. So Drone Skywalker, bro, go get that rent reporters. Right, get that rent reporters. That's going to help out with the age a little bit. And then you're probably ready for a Capital One Platinum card too. Yeah, my BMW 650 a month is brutal. Yeah, that's insane, bro. 18. What degree do I go for? I mean, honestly, bro, unless you want to be a doctor, lawyer, dentist, surgeon, I guess that counts as doctor, I guess. You know, something that you have to go to college for, then do it. But if not, man, shoot, I would go to trade school or something, bro. electricians out here starting off 100 bands first year, hundies. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, the world's changing, man. So, like, if I didn't play football, if I didn't get a football scholarship to Washington State, I probably would have went. I don't know if I would have went to college, honestly, because it's not needed. Like, it's not really needed like that anymore. You know, places are hiring. If you have a high school diploma, they're hiring you. Google's hiring you if you have a high school diploma, right? You can learn coding right now. You don't have to go to school to learn coding. You can go get a coding certificate in 6 months and go get a 6-figure job in tech right now. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends, bro. I wish I was at 750. Let's go. I've seen people with car payments over 1,000. Bro, me too. I see it every day. 900, 950, 1,200. Bro, somebody bought a 2018 Tesla. Okay. Their payments are 1,100. I hope they're not watching right now. Okay. But their payments are 1,100. I said, Jesus Christ. If you're in a credit program, when you finish it, does any of your write-offs go off your what? Yeah, so you mean does items come back? No. Right? It just depends on what credit repair company you're with and how they're disputing. So a lot of these people out here, they're not actually real credit repair people, owners or companies. They're just somebody that fixed credit. So a lot of times, if they're just disputing on Credit Karma or filing a police report for you or just doing it the scamming way, yeah, those items are probably going to come back on your report. But if you dispute this stuff the right way, this stuff usually doesn't come back. Now, from time to time, something gets reinserted, then you just go back and dispute it again. But for the most part, when we dispute, this stuff stays off. Donaldo, what's good? Oh, damn, you can find a 3-bedroom bath in Houston for 35. Bro, hey, we gotta talk, bro, because yeah, we gotta talk, bro. My little brother and my cousin, they're in Dallas, but what's the other? Yeah, I'll tell you, I'll DM you, bro. I'll DM you. I just got my gold card today. Woo! At 19, only had credit for 6 months. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Christian, that gold card was not your first account, bro. You had something on your credit. You had something on your credit report before. Christian, you didn't just turn 19 with nothing on your report and apply for a gold Amex and got it. I highly doubt that, bro. I highly doubt that. You must have had an authorized user or something. Your mom put you on. Your dad put you. Yeah, come on now. Scorch, what's good? Twin car insurance is $16K a year. Whew. Trade school is great. They'll pay well. Facts. I'm 23. I got 120K debt, credit cards. I fully crashed out. What should I do? And the card too, bro. What? Bro, what? What do you mean? What should you do? You shouldn't have did that, bro. You racked up 120K in debt, and you're come on, bro. Dog. I mean, we can help you dispute the negative information on your report. It's going to take a while with the repos and all that stuff. And 120K debt, bro. You got to be careful because these credit card companies can come back and sue you, man. You know, damn, bro. At 23, that's not good, man. Shoot me a DM, bro. Bugs 1K. Shoot me a DM, man. We got to get a game plan for you, dude. His parents' death had him as authorized user. 1,000%. 1,000%. Ain't no way. He said, I got an Amex Gold at 19. Okay. All right. That's good though. Shit, I'm hating because I wish I had me a gold Amex at 19. That's why I'm hating. I have a platinum Amex. I hate it. Yeah, I don't really use my platinum that much anymore. When I was traveling a little bit, I was using it, but I don't really use it like that. What should I do? Bankruptcy? Yeah, that's probably the best option, honestly, bro. Yeah, because there's tiers, right? There's like tiers with debt with these credit card companies, right? If you owe 2K, they're charge it off. 5K, they charge it off, kind of, but 10K, they might come after you. 100K, they want their money, bro. They're not letting you slide. They're not letting you slide off like that. Okay. Yes, sir. 5:15. Damn, time flies when you having fun, man. Time flies when you having fun. All right, y'all. Let's end it with some results right here. Let's end it off with some of these results. So somebody was talking about repos earlier. Yes, we can get repos removed. Okay, we can dispute repos for you. But like I said earlier, like today's live earlier, I keep it 100, man. This wasn't no 30-day repo removal. Okay, right? I keep it 100. Okay, this was about 3-4 rounds of work right here. All right. Now I could have came on here and lied, right? I could have said we get repos removed in 18 seconds. You know what I'm saying? But that's not that's not good. You don't want to do that. All right. We got some more repos right here. And these are just the stuff that's in the notes. All right. We got the Big Daddy right here. That 104K. Let's go. I know y'all see that right there. With the 10K student loan deletion. Yeah, let's go, man. Stop playing with us. Bet that's the move then. How much the cost to file? It depends on what state you're in, bro. Depends on the state. So you can type up bankruptcy attorney in my area. Okay. Bankruptcy attorney in my area. There's probably dozens of them around you. You go on Google, look at the reviews, right? Pick the top 5, call them, tell me your situation, whichever one you feel comfortable with, go in there and get it going. Brian, I have 7 credit cards and I have 4,800 in debt. I have 2,000 for paying off. Yeah, just use the 2,000, start paying them off. Yeah, you already got the game plan, bro. He said break your kneecaps over 100K. I'm weak. Roll with D. Got a repo falling off by itself next year. Can't wait. Okay. Brandon, does paying off credit card make your score go up if it's close to maxed out at 8K? Yeah. So it's about the percentage, right? So if it's 100% maxed out, you pay it down to 5%, your score is going to jump through the roof. Okay. Repos removed in 18 seconds. I'm weak. He said 18 seconds. He said 10 seconds earlier. Hey, see, y'all lucky I'm a good guy. Bro, y'all lucky I'm a good dude, bro, because I could be out here. It'd get so wicked, bro, if I was evil. Bro, it'd get so wicked. Bro. Go on Credit Karma and use this hack. Use this secret glitch, bro. But y'all lucky I'm a good dude, man. Oh, it'd be wicked, bro. I'll be selling CPNs. I'll be doing police reports. Oh, man. My girlfriend sold her car back to the dealership. They bought it off us. Now it shows a repo on her. Yeah, call the dealership and tell them they got to update that account. Call a dealership and then you can call the bank and tell them to update that account. It's not supposed to say repo. Don't even talk about the CPNs, man. King don't talk trash. He speaks the truth. Facts. Bro, y'all lucky though, man. I'm telling you. We fixed credit in 10 days. Bro, how dumb does that sound though? Like when you really sit back and think about it, bro, and people are still falling for it. Okay? People are still falling for the CPNs. Bro, it's fraud, bro. Stop it. It's fraud. Using a different number that's not yours. Okay? It's fraud. Sorry. I know they're going to try to convince you. It's fraud. No, it's fraud. Okay? If you go into the bank and say, hey, this is a CPN, you probably won't make it to the front door. Security going to put you in a chokehold. All right? Stop it. Okay? You think the U.S. government is okay with you using some random number? Bro, what? It's insane. Oh my God. I don't even know how that became a thing. It's fucking insane. She's going to schedule with y'all soon for a consultation. Okay. But yeah, but Greg, before she schedules though, she needs to call up there and she can get that account updated, bro. It shouldn't say repo. It should just say paid. Right? It should just say paid and closed. Okay. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I'll holler at y'all on Friday. TikTok, we still rocking TikTok. TikTok, we got 10.